Now I will show how smart door lock working. First, this circuit uses battery to be the power, and it has battery indicator level to check battery. Now this is the first page. Is first password. We must enter first password into it. If we insert wrong password, the buzzer will warning us. Okay. Next is a correct password. We will go to the menu page. We can choose between second password or voice command. Now I will show the second password. If we insert wrong password 3 times, what happened? Let's see. The browser will warning and in several times and take us to the first password again. Now what happened will when we insert correct password. In this circuit, we use relay, battery and motor to create the automatic door to slide open and close. Okay, we will show how it's smart at the voice command. Grandma.
Hello.
Ginny.
Please say your password.
Dummy.
Access granted.
When we use correct command and correct sound of the user who insert into the first video of EasyVR Commander, and EasyVR Shield will recognize the sound and test it that is the same sound or not. Now what happens when we insert wrong command? Grandma.
Hello.
Hello.
Please repeat.
The
Access denied.
EasyVR Shield will tell us to
Please
speak
repeat.
new password
Access denied.
when we enter wrong 3 times. Ginny.
Please say your password.
Password.
Please repeat. Access denied.
The browser will warning us and take us to the first password page. Okay.